Right, morning everybody. Welcome back my friends to the channel. Today we're going to be heading up to Hough Hill. Just up there. This is our local trig. It's only 166 metres high, but you still get great views. So let's go. Now then, we've just set off, and where we're wanting to walk, the farmer's out with his muck spreader, so we could end up getting covered in it. Morning.
Good choice of walk this morning.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. At least the wind's blowing that way. Lovely. Hey, it certainly jets out quite a way, doesn't it? You wouldn't want to get caught under that, would you? Yeah. I think we might have to go up here. This is the way we came last time. Been a bit of a frosty day today. Squirt, isn't he? So here we are at the trig. I think I'd give this trig, looking at it, it was a 6, it was a 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, looks to be in about maybe it's a 5 or a 6 condition, but you've got great views from here. Got the city of Preston over there. There's Preston, Guildhall, PNE. I think you've got Longridge, Fair Fell, some of the Lake District there. Off in the distance, you can just see and make out Blackpool Tower. It's the Filed Coast. Off in the distance, that might be Snowdonia mountain range. There's Chorley over that way. Winter Hill. The Rocket. Darwin Tower. Jubilee Tower. Couldn't think of the name there. And that way is leading off towards Horton Tower. Alright, let's get the drone up. So, okay then, right, let's head back. So here is the quarry itself, there's the quarry face, just down there. These spikes here, what you see, there's one of them there. There's another there. They're driven in for people who are wanting to do a bit of abseiling over the top, you know, or climbing. Just gives me a bit of extra security. Busy day on the motorway. Them sheep don't seem to be bothered though. Unfortunately, this is a sign of the times. See all them cans down there? Needs a good clean up. So once again everybody, thanks again for joining us. If you liked it, click the subscribe button, hit the like button. I noticed that quite a few people who do watch these videos aren't yet subscribed. That's what they all say, don't they? Get some more clicks. So, au revoir, see you next time.